Example 1. If 0 minus 1 and 0 3 are two vertices of a square, the other two vertices are. So, if you consider the possibilities of 0 comma minus 1 and 0 comma 3, these are the two vertices of a square. Suppose in a square, if you assume that the two vertices as 0 comma minus 1 and 0 comma 3 as adjacent side, definitely the distance between them is equals to 4 because 3 minus of minus 1. Distance x coordinates are same, difference of y coordinates length is 4. As this length is 4 and it is a square, this height is also the 4 units. Definitely, and x coordinates are same. So, equation to this line is x is equal 0, equation to this line is supposed to be x is equals to 4 and the coordinates of other 2 points is supposed to be 4 comma something and 4 comma something. But nowhere in the option wise you have x coordinate as 4. So, you can rule out this option. Therefore, 0 comma minus 1 and 0 comma 3 supposed to be the vertices of a diagonal, the vertices of a square which are end points of a diagonal. Suppose if they are like this, and definitely the line joining these 2 points is x is equals to 0 because x coordinates are same. In a square, diagonals are mutually perpendicular. So, the other diagonal definitely be y equals to constant. That means the y coordinate of the other two coordinates supposed to be same, and that is possible only with the C option. So, it is supposed to be 2 comma 1 and minus 2 comma 1. And to verify, the midpoint of these two would be 0 comma 1 and which is also midpoint of these two, exactly satisfied. So, answer for the problem is a C.